What's up, guys? Welcome to Cocktails with Nickel 9. I'm Ethan Torrance, and today we're going to make a poisoned apple based off the Oscar-nominated film Nightmare Alley. So, this one's pretty fun. You're going to start with a glass of ice, always a glass of ice, you always should. And then, we're going to grab my friend who came to bless us with his special liquid, Jacky Apple Jack. 2 ounces of that. Now, Nightmare Alley takes place in a carnival, so that's why we're doing a drink called the Poisoned Apple. Very, very carnival fun theme. After that, you're going to grab 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. That's 1.5. That's all right. We're having fun with it. And then for the finishing touch, you are going to fill the rest of your glass with good old apple cider. And that's how it's got its name, the Poisoned Apple. Let's try this. That is definitely a poisoned apple. I'm Ethan, this has been Cocktails with Nickel 9, and this is the Poisoned Apple from Nightmare Alley.